if you didn't wish me a happy birthday, there's a chance to do so in the comment section. Appreciate it. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chrissy, and I'm back again with another video. We're now at Fairview. Initially, I don't really have a plan, to be honest. I don't have a plan for today. Well, actually, no. I had a plan, but I don't know. Hello. So we're in Fairview now. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Take a minute here. Sit down. Oh, it's so pretty. Take a picture of yourself. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty right here. So, I'm currently starving. I don't know what I'm going to do or eat. I think I'm going to go to Cafe Blue and then I'll see what's going on. Okay guys, so Fontana is coming out for Valentine's Day. These guys are coming out. Oh my god. Oh wow. These are pretty. Guys, Fontana is always coming out with a seriously this XOXO Gossip Girl. Oh my gosh, this rose teddy bear is the cutest. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest. I swear. Oh, black rose. No. Nah. No black rose. My favorite sheet mask is this brand. So I've not tried this one. I'm gonna get this one. I've used everything else so far. That's where I always get these ones. I'm in Fontana. Hold on, this is the. Yes, I've not used this one. I've not used. This one. I'm gonna go with the green tea because I'm a green tea fan. I love everything green tea. What else am I gonna get? I don't think there's anything I'm gonna get. Oh, charcoal. I'll just show your feet. I've never tried the feet mask. Should I? What do y'all think? I ordered a ham and cheese sandwich and a white chocolate caramel cappuccino. Yeah, of course I'm going to eat my sandwich now. I just found this little cool cruisy spot that I always try to come and snack at. Yeah, I'm going to eat that now. Yeah. Find a position for this phone. There's my hands. Hope you can hear me clearly. So here's my sandwich from Cafe Blue. Oh no, it has mustard. I forgot to tell them no mustard. Oh my. I didn't remember. Yesterday was my birthday, so today I didn't do anything yesterday. I just stay at home, watch TV, eat, sleep. So today I'm out on the road. I just want to treat myself a little bit. I don't know. Like this morning, outside was so bright and sunny, and I got here to Fairview, and it just, I don't know where the sun went. It's so gloomy. Look as if it's about to rain. Oh my god, no. So I think I'm gonna get a few stuff and run and hurry home before it starts to rain, because I don't like being on the street when it's raining and all that dirty water splashing on your foot and girl. Oh my gosh, school is open and I'm seeing school kids again on the street. It's so weird. Guys, that's weird. It's weird to me because I've not seen school kids out in their uniform in months. Wow. But I think Jamaica's kind of having another wave. I'm not really sure, so school might be closed again. I don't even know what's going on with the world, but let's just pray and hope for the best. So I'm heading into Progressive right now. Sorry for the Arabic angle. I forgot to record in the supermarket. They were having wine sale, so you know, my mind went. So I'll show you what I got when I get home. So now, oh my gosh, Fairview. There's a bunch of new store on this plaza. Oh my god, I didn't even realize. So I'm checking it out now. Whoa. I have to show you this view, guys. It's beautiful. See that? This is the view. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It is gorgeous. Sky. Definitely. I'm so happy I came out of my house today because I just found the passport place over here. I didn't even know that. You have, I think this is a travel agency. No, one next restaurant. Oh, one next restaurant. Let's go take a peek. Oh, I think this is the pizza place. So guys, I just made a really quick stop out here just to rest my leg a bit and take in the ocean. So I got the ocean all the way around here, and I'm on the rocks listening to the wave splash on the rocks, or whatever it's called. And Pier 1 is over there, the restaurant. But guys, believe it or not, I've been in Montego Bay for what, 2-3 years, and I've never been to Pier 1. I've always come here, but I've never actually gone in or gone to the restaurant, I swear. But nevertheless, I think I'll reach there one day at some point in time. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I just tend to frequent locations that I know and that I can guarantee will give me good food. I'm not saying that Pier 1 food is bad. I've never had their food, so. Just took a taxi and I came back in the town, and I'm like, you know what, let's go and chill over by Pier 1, whatever yours is called. But you know what, I need to go to Pier 1. Like, I've been procrastinating about going there, but I haven't gotten around to going there. So these are my bag. Yeah, so I got stuff here. So this is my Subway sandwich. I'll try that. My tongue is tied now. I'll try that when I get home. So officially, what am I saying? Okay guys, so I'm now home. Finally! Oh, today was okay. As I said, it was a bit gloomy, but it was okay. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I got at Progressive. So I got this. A bottle of Yaman. So they're up in a sale. So this was normally 1,000 something, I don't know how much, but the sale had it for 9 something, so I just got a bottle of this. They had about 3 other wines that was on sale. However, like I wanted to go with this rose one, but I wasn't sure if it's sweet, like this state sweet white, you know, sweet white. The other one didn't have anything that says it was sweet, so I just went with this one because I'm like, okay, at least this state that it's sweet. I don't want to chance another bottle of wine and it's not sweet. I got that. And I saw this is the Nestle NutriGo. So it has 8.3 gram of protein, so I'm gonna try this. If I like it, I might get some more to just have after my workout until I buy my protein powder. Yes, so I'm gonna try this out. They have chocolate and vanilla. So I just want something with protein in it, and everything else is so expensive. Like a small thing like this from what? I forgot the brand that has protein. Like a small brand of protein shake like this. Like this isn't officially a protein shake. It's a protein, mineral, vitamins, something shake, right? But the dedicated protein shakes are like a small thing like this is for $600. I'm like, and then I saw this and I'm like, okay, at least it has some percentage of protein in it. Let me just try it out. If I like it, it can be like a good substitute until I get my actual protein that I want. And just some popcorn, because I think popcorn is low in carb, so you can have popcorn. Or this is cheese popcorn, so I don't think this is that low, but it's better than having, I think this has 180 calories versus me buying Doritos that has 200 and 300. So popcorn. Oh, and I went to so I just got these 3 from Progressive, these 3, and then I went to Proactive Lifestyle and I picked up some sunflower seed and some cranberries. No, with cranberries it's my new recent obsession, because I tend to have a sweet tooth, and especially after I eat my meals, whether it's breakfast, lunch or dinner, I tend to go, my sweet tea just has the better let me see. I have a very prominent sweet tooth, so yeah, and especially when it's close to that time of the month, it is extremely like my sweet tooth is going. So this is very sweet and it helps and it's healthy. So dried cranberry it is. Yes, I got these 2 at Proactive Lifestyle. Yes, what is it I got for? Oh, and here is my Subway sandwich. I didn't even look at it. Well, the size when it's been made and she wrapped it, I didn't even check it out. So this is it, my sub sandwich. Oh, it does seem pretty. That is tomato, sweet pepper. Okay. So I'm gonna have this for my dinner. It's 9-grain wheat bread. So this is dinner. Oh, and I still have half of my ham and cheese sandwich from Cafe Blue. Yeah. I think that's just the stuff I got at Fairview. And I went to the supermarket and I got a few little snacks. I'm not going to show you guys this, like too much time it's gonna take up. I think that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one, hopefully very soon. Remember, my uploading schedule is Monday and Friday at 5 o'clock.